Use rulers. Rulers help you accurately place and measure objects in the illustration window or in an artboard. The point where 0 appears on each ruler is called the ruler origin. Illustrator provides separate rulers for documents and artboards. You can select only one of these rulers at a time. Global rulers appear at the top and left sides of the illustration window. The default ruler origin is located at the top left corner of the illustration window. Artboard rulers appear at the top and left sides of the active artboard. The default artboard ruler origin is located at the top left corner of the artboard. The difference between artboard rulers and global rulers is that if you select artboard rulers, the origin point changes based on the active artboard. In addition, you can have different origin points for artboard rulers. Now, if you change the artboard ruler origin, the pattern fills and objects on the artboards are not affected. The default origin point for the global ruler is at the upper left corner of the first artboard, and the default origin for the artboard rulers is at the top left corner of the respective artboard. To show or hide rulers, choose View Rulers, Show Rulers, or View Rulers, Hide Rulers. To toggle between artboard rulers and global rulers, choose View Rulers, Change to Global Rulers, or View Rulers, Change to Artboard Rulers. Artboard rulers appear by default, so the Change to Global Rulers option appears in the Rulers submenu. To show or hide video rulers, choose View Show Video Rulers or View Hide Video Rulers. To change the ruler origin, move the pointer to the upper left corner where the rulers intersect, and drag the pointer to where you want the new ruler origin. As you drag, a crosshair in the window and in the rulers indicates the changing global ruler origin. Note, changing the global ruler origin affects the tiling of patterns. To restore the default ruler origin, double-click the upper left corner where the rulers intersect. The coordinate system has now been switched to fourth quadrant, which was previously the first quadrant. In Illustrator, when you move downwards, the value of y-axis increases, and if you move toward right, the value of x-axis increases. For saving to legacy versions of Illustrator, the global rulers remain at the position set in Legacy document. Although the origin point does not move to upper left, the coordinate system changes to fourth quadrant. The change in coordinate system and the ruler origin does not apply to scripting, which allows you to retain old scripts. However, when you transform objects using scripting, the y-coordinate values differ from the values that you set in the Illustrator user interface. For example, if you apply a move operation of say y equals plus 10 points, then to emulate the same movement with scripting, apply a transformation of y equals minus 10 points. Change the unit of measurement. The default unit of measurement in Illustrator is points. A point equal 0.3528 mm. You can change the unit that Illustrator uses for general measurements, strokes, and type. You can override the default unit while entering values in boxes. To change the default unit of measurement, choose Edit Preferences Units, Windows, or Illustrator Preferences Units, Mac OS, and then select Units for the general, stroke, and type options. If Show Asian Options is selected in the type preferences, you can also select a unit specifically for Asian type. Note, the general measurement option affects rulers, measuring the distance between points, moving and transforming objects, setting grid and guide spacing, and creating shapes. To set the general unit of measurement for the current document only, choose File Document Setup, choose the unit of measurement you want to use from the Units menu, and click OK. To change the unit of measurement when entering a value in a box, follow the value by any of the following abbreviations: inch, inches, in, millimeters, millimeters, QS, 1Q equals 0.25 millimeter, centimeters, centimeters, cm, points, p, point, picas, pc, pixel, pixels, and px. Tip: when mixing picas and points, you can enter values as xpy, where x and y are the number of picas and points, for example, 12p6 for 12 picas, 6 points. Please like and subscribe IT Master channel. Thanks for watching IT Master channel.